Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making vegetable stir fry. This is my go-to stir fry that I add to almost like all my meals. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Now let's get down to business. In a keto skillet, add about a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half, depending on the quantity of veggies you're going to be frying, of seasoned oil. This oil I got from my grilled turkey. Now add your chopped red onions. I find red onions quite delicious as compared to the white one, and I really don't like onions this big in my meals, but for the sake of this recipe I chopped it this big. Give that a good stir until it's translucent. Now add your spices. There's a bit of curry, a bit of thyme, some dried oregano. I'm using it from Soup and Spice. I bought this from the store. Give that a good stir. Frying your spices in little oil or any form of oil actually releases the essence of the spice, makes it more potent in your dish. Now add your shredded carrots. I got this carrot peeler that has like kind of like a spike from the mall. So give that a good stir, just like that. Now add your cabbage. The cabbage I cut with my hands. Actually, I was too lazy to set up my food processor, so I just like diced it with my hands. Now give that a good stir. Please note that I'm using very low heat because I'm using a cast iron skillet, so you don't want the heat too high. And now I'm adding hot sauce to this to add a bit of heat. Now because I wasn't cooking for just myself, I didn't add extra scotch bonnet or habanero pepper like I normally would have, so this just did the trick. Add a bit of salt, not so much, and then stir. Now add your chopped bell peppers. I used the green one, the yellow one, the orange one, and the red ones. Bell peppers are very rich in vitamin C, and your body is able to digest them properly. So in this era of the COVID-19, it's important that we boost our immune system, and one way of doing that is incorporating veggies into our meals. So here you go. Give that a good stir. I got a second spatula because we have to incorporate it nicely. So from the cook time to the whole process, from beginning to the end, we use low heat. We didn't increase the heat, and it's ready, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.